So this is the awning support I created, one for each side. You can see I have it tethered down with a ratchet strap. I basically just created or used a 1.25" PVC, 7 feet long, and then slid into it a 1" PVC, 7 foot long. And then I put holes every 4 inches in both of the poles. And then on top you can see I created a T, and then my awning roller is 3 inches in diameter, so I used a 3-inch hole saw to cut that radius on top so that it could sit right inside of that T. Use some Velcro straps to strap it over the top, secure it to the awning, and then use the ratchet straps to anchor it to the ground. So this helps keep it stable if there were high winds or rain. We just had a nice rainstorm last night, so I decided to put them up, and it worked out excellent. I've got this side about 4 inches lower. That's a nice thing about having the 4 inches secured and the holes with the clips. That way I can lower one end to keep the water draining on whichever end I prefer. And this works out really nice. I feel confident I can leave the awning up, unless we had hurricane style winds. I would obviously put it down, but this keeps it from blowing over the top of your camper with an uplift wind, and it also keeps it supported so that if rain were to collect on your awning, it wouldn't collapse your arms, which these are not meant to really support any weight or water. But with this supported out here, the water can pool and then drain off one end. So very happy the way this turned out. I can slide these right into my pass-through, and it's very easy and convenient to bring them with me. I've only used them a few times when it looks like it's going to be raining, and it is nice to be able to keep the awning open, at least partially, so that when it rains at night I can still keep my refrigerator, my lawn chairs, my table, and things outside without them getting soaked. These mats are really nice. Basically the rain passes right through, so the rain doesn't pool up. This has been a really nice buy. That's it. Just wanted to show it to you. If anybody has any ideas, comments, suggestions, would have done it a different way, or they want more specific details, just leave some comments below and I'll get you the information. Thanks for watching. Bye now.